and today I'm making a video, and there's a little bumblebee sloth here. Oh, that might be a gift. Hold on. Oh. Sorry about the chair, by the way. I really don't know what for glitched out, because I really like my nose. Because that's the online safety pack, which is not worth much. No one ever has a pet giraffe. I'm gonna do this one for now on because maybe yes. Okay, I was just watching the video before I added this, or after, or yeah, before I added this one. Are those bigger? Hold on, I need to look for a second. Where's that underwater? Right here. Oh, wait. What was the other thing on? Okay, I'm not too sure, but oh. I don't know, guys. I have to think, and if I don't know right now, just tell them I need to think about it because, oh yeah, there, yeah. Well, there you go. But I'm trying to do it again, but I don't really like to be rushed if you don't know about me. Like, during the trade, I don't want to get scammed because, well, maybe the person before told them that they can, this is beta or something, and they have this, like, just like, like, something like that, just like underwater, I don't use underwater items. So, okay, this video's getting too long, so we need to do something, oh, let me talk about the update. I need, oops, okay, so, giraffes are for all jammers, and if you watch like a party and stuff, they've already done this, but, yeah, so yeah, next, head feathers, pause and read, honeybees, battle of the beacon, you can trade your pets now, a new animal coming, traveling arctic foxes, and returning rhinos, the adventure, and the toys. So yeah, I'll get back to her in a second because I have to do this really good.